And this person, she carried in a cloth bag. A lot of people did it. If you see pictures of ghettos, you see people carrying a cloth bag. The chances are there's bread in there, and if she leaves it at home, they're hungry and they eat it. Oh, that's stealing. Well, kids turned against parents, and parents turned against kids, because a 40-year-old with a work assignment has to know more food than if you were 4 and 5, 6 years old. And in the beginning, mothers always took care of it. Mothers gave their guys, their husbands, a little extra from her own, and that went on and on. But this person that was working next to me, she carried the bread in a bag. And when the first thing, she always used to tell us what happened when she gets home. The kid says, "Mommy, Mommy, I'm hungry. Give me something to eat." You know, and she only had to give her a little bit. If that isn't torture, what is? And one day she said, she went out of the building and she left that bag with bread in it. And she said, "I'm going to the wire." That was an expression that was used. If you go to the wire, you get shot, dead. She couldn't take it anymore. And she was shot dead. She was no more hungry. She was no more mother. She didn't have to have any questions. And that went on. 200,000 people lived in this ghetto. Many died and new ones came in. Went through the same rigmarole. What can you do? She goes to the wire. Everybody knew what that meant. And they were hoping that whoever shoots her aims to kill her immediately. Sometimes they just got wounded. That was even worse. Because there was no medical help. None.